Well, hello, folks. It's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron. And today I've got another question that has been asked on our channel. And so I want to try to address that today. I'm not exactly sure how to say this. Galen Elliott asked, how do you get burnt stuff off of a cast iron grill skillet? He says, I've tried everything, baking soda, salt, soaking it overnight, and I cannot seem to get the last bits. So, Galen, a cast iron grill pan is, or grill skillet, or whatever you want to call it, can be a little tricky because it has the ridges in it, but it's really no different than any other cast iron skillet. If you have burnt stuff on there that seems to be hard to get off in the normal procedures that you typically go through on cleaning your cast iron, like you say here, you've tried everything using baking soda, salt, soaking it overnight. I don't recommend soaking any cast iron overnight, but it can possibly cause rust. But he says I cannot seem to get the last bits of it out. There's a couple things that you can do. One thing that I would do instead of soaking it overnight is I would fill the cast iron skillet up with water just above the ridges, to where the ridges are submerged in water, and put it on the stove and heat it up. You could even add salt or baking soda to that mixture of the water, and just heat it up on the stove and let it get hot, and that'll it'll release food particles, and it should release all the baked on stuff as well. So you just need to be careful when you're doing this. Be sure to use oven mitts or a pot holder or something to move the skillet around. Once you get it heated up and let it boil for a little while, you should start to see food particles begin to float to the top. Once this happens and everything, you can take it over to your sink and pour the hot water out. And if you have a grill pan scraper, a little plastic grill pan scraper, that are notched and have the grooves in it, you can take and use that and scrape any bits and pieces off, and this should help. So anyway, it's a great question. I appreciate you asking. I hope this helps. Please let us know how this turns out for you, folks. We appreciate it, and we appreciate all questions that we get. And if you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, leave us a question down below of something that you may be struggling with your cast iron, and be sure and share this out to someone that you may think that would benefit from it. And we certainly appreciate that. Y'all have a great day. Now, it's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll see you. Bye bye.